and welcome to the Mathly YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
Hello everyone, sorry about the little bit of a delay there, but I'm going to go ahead and present a problem from the sprint round that we just did, sprint problem number 20. So this problem asked us to compute the larger value of x for which let me find the expression. It was f of x equal to x squared plus 20x plus 19 squared minus x squared plus 20x plus 19. So the first thing to observe here really is that, well, this looks an awful lot like if we make a substitution, well, we'll call x squared plus 20x plus 19. We'll call that guy a, right? So a squared minus a. Also, I just realized I forgot to finish the problem. Attains its minimum value, right? So how do we minimize a squared minus a? Well, we know how to minimize parabolas, quadratics in general, right? We just take the axis of symmetry or use Vietta's. Well, or you could take a derivative, actually. It turns out that minimum is achieved at a equals half, right? And minimum value is therefore negative a quarter. So now it just remains to check if that actually works, right? Remember that we defined a to be this quantity right here, x squared plus 20x plus 19. So is that actually possible? Can we actually have x squared plus 20x plus 19 equal to negative a quarter? Well, yes, we can, right? What is the actual minimum value of x squared plus 20x plus 19? It can go arbitrarily high, right? But can it go, how low can it go? Well, again, we do the same thing as we did for a squared minus a. The axis of symmetry is going to be at x equals minus 10. Therefore, that's where the minimum value is going to be achieved, right? And you plug that in, you get negative 81 as the minimum value, right? Far below the negative a quarter. So yes, that is possible, right? So now we just have to find out where this is equal to a half, not a quarter, a half. We want the value of a. And in this case, a is a half. So now we just solve a quadratic. Move the half over. That's going to be 19 minus half, 37 halves. 2x squared plus 40x plus 37 equals 0. Then you can just apply quadratic formula, and that should give you negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 326 all over 2. You simplify. No, actually, you don't even have to simplify. 326 isn't multiple of 4. So you're done, right? You just pick the larger value that's going to be minus 20 plus root 326 all over 2. And we're done.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.